Hello everyone, welcome again in the next topic. So in this video, I will show you step-by-step guide to create a self-sign certificate. Also will create a root CA authority and sign this self-sign certificate. So in this video, I will cover like CA certificate generation, CSR generation, signing certificate template, certificate generation and validation. So let's get start. So guys, for this tutorial, I am using a Linux operating system. I have installed it on Windows 11 via VSL and the flavor is Ubuntu 22. So in this step, first we'll generate the CA authority. For CA authority, we'll generate the private key and the private key, the command would be like OpenSSL gen RSA out, this output name of this key file, and I'm using the encryption DAC3 and the value is 4096. I will choose one password for that private files and verify it. So let's see. We have like root ca dot key file. After that, we'll generate the root ca certificate. So the command would be OpenSSL and req X509, it's a standard of certificate. Then we'll provide this root ca.key. Here I'm using SHA250 and this certificate means root certificate will be valid for 5 years. You can convert it like 365 into 5 and value would be 1825. The output of that certificate is root ca cert. Then hit the enter. We have to provide this private key password. Then we have to provide some extra details to generate this root CA for this CA authority. So I belong in India. So first I will provide the country, India, state, Madhya Pradesh, city. So I belong in Indore, organization name, Linux topic, the unit. So I belong in security, the common name. So common name we have to provide this CA authority name. Next topic, secure root CA. Okay, means your email address. So we can check. Now we have a two file. The third step, we can generate the CSR file, certificate signature request file. So we can generate via two method. First one using we provide this same input which we provide in this generating this root certificate. Second one, we can just create a template. So first we'll generate this CA by providing the input OpenSSL, REQ, new key and RSA 2048. The key out means we are generating a private key for server or client certificate. So this would be a name. Same SHA250 and the output would be linuxtopic.csr. So this command will generate the private key and CSR file. Same we have to provide the details of servers. So India, Madhya Pradesh, Indore, organization, unit. So I'm generating this certificate for server and SRE department. So I have provided SRE team. Then common name. So we have to provide these server name, yeah, server details in common name. So I'm generating for Linux topic. Then same we have to provide an email address. So yep. Additional means we don't need a password in private key. If you need, you can enter. So I'm not entering any password. Then we'll check again. So now we have the next topic is a private key and this is a CSR file. If we don't need any self-sign certificate, we can share this CSR file to any registered or any public CA authority. They will verify and they will provide you a certificate with root CA. So now here we are generating this self-sign certificate. We will create one signing certificate template. So we can just choose any name, ca sign.conf, and in this file we have to add these two value: authority key identifier, key ID and issuers, then basic constraint CA is false, and then save it. Additionally, we can add like alternate name as well. If we need any alternate name for the certificate, if we need a multiples domains into the certificate, so we can add in a SAN entry. The tag would be like subject alternate name and alternate names, then alternate names in DNS 1, 2, 3, 4, any XYZ. So we can add via these tag if we need any alternate name into the certificate. So I don't need, I am generating this single domain certificate. So yeah, we have created this ca-shine.conf files. Now we'll generate the certificate using this OpenSSL X509 request CA key. We have to provide the CA key and CA roots. I have provided the CA root CRT and CSR, which we generated in pair, and then the output like Linux CRT is the output. Here I am generating this certificate for 374 days, means 13 months. Dash CA create serial, file name would be this CA sign. Okay, so let me check the file name. So we have dash sign. Yeah, then hit the enter. So it is asking a root CA password. So we'll provide again the root CA password and it's generated. So now we have a Linux topic.cert file as well. How can we validate it? So we can validate it via this command OpenSSL X509 dash in Linux topic.crt, means this certificate file dash no out dash text. So it will print a full information. So let me up. So here is the signature algorithm which we define on that command, and the issuers, so country, state, locality, organization, security, and then this is a subject, and then this is the public key, and this is a CN which we generate, and this is a CA authority, and this signature algorithm, and we didn't use any SAN, so there is no entry for SAN. So yeah, you can generate. We can also check the key files. So here is a key. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for the watching.